Proudly designed by America Data Science. Welcome to ML4ALL, a machine learning platform truly for everyone. Introducing ML4ALL, a groundbreaking platform created by America Data Science, a visionary startup on a mission to make artificial intelligence and machine learning accessible to everyone. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about AI, ML4ALL is here to empower you with the tools and knowledge to harness the power of machine learning. Our platform is embedded with pre-built ML models, so you can start working on real-world problems right away. From natural language processing to computer vision and numerical models, we've got you covered. You can harness the power of machine learning now. ML4ALL is designed to be simple and intuitive, allowing you to learn and apply machine learning in just one day. No coding experience? No problem. Our platform guides you step by step. Our goal is to bring machine learning to everyone, breaking down barriers and making AI tools universally accessible. Start your journey today and unlock the power of machine learning with ML4ALL, powered by America Data Science, innovation for everyone. Now sign up at ML4ALL.info. Learn, build, and transform, all in one day.
At ML4ALL, we believe that machine learning should not be confined to experts and tech enthusiasts alone. Our mission is to democratize AI, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or experience level. Imagine a world where students can use AI to enhance their learning, professionals can leverage machine learning to optimize their workflows, and hobbyists can explore new frontiers of technology. This is the world we envision with ML4ALL. Our platform is designed with you in mind. We offer a variety of resources including interactive tutorials, hands-on projects, and a supportive community to help you every step of the way. With ML4ALL, you can dive into the fascinating world of AI and machine learning without feeling overwhelmed. Our user-friendly interface and comprehensive guides ensure that you can start building and experimenting with ML models from day one. We understand that learning a new technology can be daunting, which is why we've made our platform as intuitive and accessible as possible. Whether you're looking to solve a specific problem or simply want to explore the possibilities of AI, ML4ALL has something for you. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about technology and eager to learn. Share your projects, get feedback, and collaborate with others to push the boundaries of what's possible with machine learning. Our pre-built models cover a wide range of applications, from analyzing text and recognizing images to making predictions based on data. You don't need to be a coding expert to get started. Our platform does the heavy lifting for you. And if you ever get stuck, our extensive library of tutorials and our dedicated support team are here to help. We want to ensure that your journey into the world of machine learning is as smooth and enjoyable as possible. So why wait? Take the first step towards mastering machine learning today. Sign up at ML4ALL.info and join the revolution. Together we can make AI accessible to everyone and unlock the full potential of this transformative technology.